Today we're going to learn about the product rule with exponents. An exponent is a number that is raised to a power. So this says 5 raised to the second power. This means 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. This is 5 to the 1 power, which means 5 times 1, which is equal to 5. So when you just see a number like this, the 1 is traditionally not written. But just know that even though you don't see it, it's still there. And it's equal to that number times 1. So this would be 7 to the 1 power, which would be equal to 7 times 1, which equals 7. And any number to the 0 power is equal to 1. So 8 to the 0 is 1. A billion to the 0 is 1. Now, with the product rule for exponents, it says that any number with the same basis, when you multiply them, you keep the same base. So in this problem, 5 is the base, and you add the exponents. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 5 to the second power times 5 to the second power is 5 to the fourth. Let's say I had 5 to the 0 power times 5 to the 2 power. So 5 to the 0 power is equal to 1, and 5 to the second power is equal to 25. I could just leave this as 5 to the second power, because 5 to the 0 power is equal to 1, and 5 to the second power, so 1 times 5 to the second power is 5 to the second power. Let's do 5 to the third power times 5 to the sixth power. That's going to give us 5 to the ninth power. Let's say we have 10 to the eighth power times 10 to the negative 5 power. So we're still going to be adding the exponents, but we still have to use the rules of integers. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So our answer is going to be 10 to the third. Say we had 10 to the negative 3 times 10 to the negative 2. That's going to give us 10 to the negative 5. So you know with the rules of integers that if the signs are the same, we add them. So we have negative 3, negative 2, the signs are the same, so we add them. Same thing here. 5 to the third times 5 to the sixth is 5 to the ninth. Let's say we have 7 to 7a squared b to the fourth times 7a to the third b to the negative 1. So let's take a look. So we have 7a to the second, 7a to the third. So these exponents have the same, they're both positive. So that's going to be 7a to the fifth. Then we have b. Then that's 4. That's negative 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer is 7a to the fifth, b to the third. Let's do some more. Let's say we have negative 5a to the second, b to the negative 3 times negative 5a to the fourth b to the ninth. So we have the same basis, so we don't have to change anything with negative 5. So we're going to have negative 5. Now let's look at the a. So we have 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Maybe 5a to the 6. And then negative 3 and 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. B to the 6. So that's how you add exponents. That's the exponents product rule. Good luck.